Just a short ferry ride from Helsinki, a cluster of islands rises majestically from the Baltic Sea. This is Suomenlinna, Finland's historic sea fortress, a marvel of military architecture. The fortress has witnessed centuries of history, from Swedish rule to Russian occupation, and finally, Finnish independence. It stands as a powerful reminder of Finland's past, its stone walls echoing tales of battles and resilience. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Suomenlinna is recognized for its cultural and historical significance. It is one of Finland's most popular tourist destinations, attracting visitors from around the globe. Suomenlinna is a place of captivating beauty, where the rugged landscape meets the serene sea. The fortress combines nature and history, offering a unique experience for all who visit. Visitors can explore its well-preserved fortifications, walking through tunnels and climbing ramparts. The islands offer stunning views of the Baltic Sea, with its ever-changing hues and tranquil waters. Walk along its cobblestone streets and imagine life in the fortress centuries ago, where soldiers once marched and cannons roared. The Suomenlinna Museum offers a deeper dive into its storied past, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that bring history to life. Beyond its military heritage, Suomenlinna is also a place for relaxation, with lush green parks perfect for picnics and leisurely strolls. Whether blanketed in winter snow or bathed in summer sun, Suomenlinna's charm is timeless, inviting visitors to return again and again. Construction of Suomenlinna started in the mid-18th century. Sweden was a major power in the Baltic region. The fortress was designed to protect Sweden's interests against Russian expansion. The fortress was originally named Sveaborg, meaning Swedish castle. It was an ambitious project requiring massive resources and manpower. The fortress was built on 6 islands. They used granite quarried from the islands themselves. The fortifications were designed to withstand artillery bombardment. The location was strategically chosen. It controlled the entrance to Helsinki harbor. Suomenlinna was a formidable obstacle to any enemy. In 1808, Russia conquered Finland from Sweden. Suomenlinna played a pivotal role in this conflict. After a 2-month siege, the fortress surrendered to the Russians. This marked the beginning of a new chapter in Suomenlinna's history. Under Russian rule, Suomenlinna underwent significant changes. The fortress was modernized and expanded. New fortifications were built to reflect advances in military technology. The Russians also established a naval base at Suomenlinna. It served as an important outpost for the Russian Baltic Fleet. Suomenlinna is a masterpiece of military architecture. Its design reflects the principles of fortification of its time. The fortress consists of a series of bastions, curtain walls, and ravelins. These were designed to create overlapping fields of fire. The use of granite in its construction gave Suomenlinna immense strength. The fortress was designed to withstand bombardment from the most powerful artillery of the time. The layout of the fortress was carefully planned to maximize its defensive capabilities. It also incorporated natural features like the island's rocky terrain. Section 5. Life in the fortress, soldiers and citizens. Suomenlinna was not just a military base. It was a vibrant community where soldiers and civilians coexisted. It was also home to a civilian population. Families, merchants, and craftsmen all lived within the fortress walls. Soldiers and their families lived within the fortress walls. They shared their lives with the civilians, creating a unique blend of military and civilian life. The community had its own schools, shops, and even a church. These institutions provided a sense of normalcy and stability amidst the fortress's military operations. Life in the fortress was often harsh, especially during times of war. The cold winters and limited resources made daily life a struggle. Despite the challenges, the people of Suomenlinna developed a strong sense of community. They held gatherings and events to maintain morale and foster unity. Archaeological excavations have revealed glimpses into their daily lives. These digs have uncovered artifacts that tell the story of their resilience. We find artifacts like pottery, which were used in their daily routines, tools, which were essential for their work and survival, and toys, which brought joy to the children. These objects tell stories of resilience, resourcefulness, and the enduring human spirit. They remind us of the people who lived, worked, and thrived within the walls of Suomenlinna, despite the many challenges they faced. Section 6. A World Heritage Site. Preserving the past. In 1991, Suomenlinna was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition acknowledges the fortress's outstanding universal value. It is an exceptional example of European military architecture. It is a testament to the skills of its builders and the changing nature of warfare. Today, Suomenlinna is managed by the governing body of Suomenlinna. This organization is responsible for its preservation and development. They strive to balance conservation efforts with public access. They ensure that future generations can appreciate the site's historical and cultural significance. Section 7. Exploring Suomenlinna, a journey through time. Suomenlinna is a fascinating destination. Visitors can explore the fortress's many attractions. These include the Suomenlinna Museum, which tells the story of the fortress's history. Visitors can also explore the fascinating tunnels and underground chambers. Walking through the fortress's grounds is like stepping back in time. Visitors can wander through the former barracks, admire the cannons, and enjoy panoramic views of the Baltic Sea. Guided tours are available, offering insights into the fortress's history and architecture. Section 8. Tales from the Fortress, Ghosts and Legends. Like many historic sites, Suomenlinna has its share of legends. These stories have been passed down through generations, whispered among locals and shared with curious visitors. Some say the fortress is haunted by the ghosts of soldiers who died within its walls. These spectral figures are said to roam the dark, eerie corridors, their presence felt in the shadowy corners of the old stone fortress. One popular tale speaks of a ghostly drummer boy who appears on foggy nights. The sound of his drum echoes through the mist, a haunting reminder of the past. Some claim to have seen his spectral figure, a young boy lost in time, forever bound to the fortress. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, these stories add another layer of intrigue to Suomenlinna's already rich tapestry. They captivate the imagination and draw people into the fortress's mysterious past. They reflect the human imagination and our fascination with the unknown. Guides and storytellers at Suomenlinna keep these legends alive, sharing them with visitors who come to explore the fortress. These tales remind us that Suomenlinna is not just a collection of stones and cannons. It is a living, breathing entity, filled with stories and memories that span centuries. It's a place imbued with memory and myth. As the sun sets over the fortress, one can't help but feel the weight of history and the whispers of the past that linger in the air. Suomenlinna is a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the human desire to connect with the past. Section 9. A place of recreation, island life, and festivities. Today, Suomenlinna is more than just a historical site. It's a vibrant part of Helsinki. It offers a unique blend of history, culture, and recreation. People live on the islands. Visitors can enjoy cafes, restaurants, and shops. Throughout the year, Suomenlinna hosts various events. These include concerts, art exhibitions, and theater performances. The Suomenlinna Opera, held annually in the summer, is a highlight. It transforms the fortress into a magical setting for opera lovers. Section 10. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of Suomenlinna. Rising from the Baltic Sea, Suomenlinna stands as a testament to Finland's history. It has witnessed wars, occupations, and transformations. It has evolved from a symbol of Swedish ambition to a cherished Finnish landmark. Suomenlinna offers a captivating journey through time. Visitors can explore its well-preserved fortifications, they can learn about its rich past, and experience its vibrant present. Suomenlinna is a reminder of the power of human ingenuity. It reminds us of the enduring connection between the past and the present.